Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of investing in real estate using Fundrise, a popular online real estate investment platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, Fundrise offers a unique opportunity to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to real estate markets. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting started with Fundrise. Step 1. Sign up for an account. The first step to investing with Fundrise is to create an account. Visit the Fundrise website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic personal information. Make sure to use an email address that you check regularly, as this will be important for account verification and communication. Step 2. Choose your investment strategy. Once your account is created and verified, you will need to select your investment strategy. Fundrise offers several options, including the starter portfolio, which is ideal for new investors, and the income or growth portfolios, which focus on different investment goals. Take some time to read through each option and choose the one that aligns best with your financial objectives. Step 3. Complete your profile. Next, you will need to complete your investor profile. Fundrise will ask for information about your investment experience, risk tolerance, and financial situation to help tailor the investment opportunities to your needs. This step is essential for ensuring that you are matched with projects that suit your investment goals. Step 4. Fund your account. After completing your profile, it's time to fund your account. Fundrise allows you to start investing with as little as $500. You can fund your account using a bank transfer, or you may have other options depending on your location. Once your funds are deposited, you'll be ready to start investing. Step 5. Explore investment opportunities. With your account funded, you can now explore the available investment opportunities on Fundrise. The platform presents a variety of real estate projects ranging from residential properties to commercial developments. Take the time to review each opportunity, including key details like projected returns, timelines, and associated risks. Step 6. Make your investment. Once you've selected the investment opportunity that interests you, it's time to make your investment. Click on the project you're interested in, review the details one last time, and then input the amount you wish to invest. Fundrise offers a user-friendly interface to finalize your commitment. Step 7. Monitor your investments. After your investment is confirmed, you can monitor your portfolio's performance through the Fundrise dashboard. The platform provides regular updates on the status of each project, including returns, potential distributions, and any relevant news. Keep an eye on your investments and stay informed about any changes. Step 8. Reinvest or withdraw your earnings. As you receive dividends or returns from your investment, you can choose to reinvest those earnings into new opportunities or withdraw them to your bank account. Fundrise offers flexibility in how you manage your returns, allowing you to adapt your investment strategy as your financial goals evolve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to invest in real estate with Fundrise effectively.